Django and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Welcome back everyone to part 7 and last part of this Django mini course. I hope you are enjoying. Let's take this little project to the internet through PythonAnywhere. Now, if you don't have an account, go to PythonAnywhere.com and create one. They have a simple interface, super friendly. You can go to login in the top blue nav bar. If you don't have the account, select sign up here, create a beginner account, and choose a username, email, and password. Now, before you continue, keep in mind that whatever username you pick, it will show up in your domain. So, whenever you have a free account, your domain will be, imagine, Jamie, this is Silva. Mine is actually 38130 dot Python anywhere. Okay, it's too big, but let's put it in here. PythonAnywhere.com. So this is your Python Anywhere username. Whatever you put in here, it will end up showing in your domain. I just wanted to let you know so you don't put like Jimmy69 or something, and then you want to show that to your family. Anyway, it's a matter of creating the account and confirming the email. I already have it. I'm not gonna go through that process. Log in and go to the dashboard. It will have a simple tutorial. You can go through that. I'm gonna also tell you a little bit of the main topics that we could pay attention. The dashboard, it has general information about Python Anywhere, and consoles, this is where you create your consoles to interact with your server. So it's a bit like the command line. The files provide you a visual interface to upload and remove files. Web is where you create your web app. Then tasks is for background tasks. We're not going to use it for now. Databases, whenever you want to take this to MySQL or Postgres or something else. The forums are really good, and account for whenever you want to upgrade your account. Alright, let's go to web and add a new web app, and in there click next, manual configuration, and you can choose Python 3.10. This is their latest version, and it should be fine for now, even though we've chosen a different version locally. Next, and now while it's creating the web app, we can already go to consoles, and it's already created. But let's go to consoles and open a new bash console. Okay, now in there we can create a virtual environment for the server. So the same process we have done in development, we will repeat now in production. So it's a little bit different, but the theory it's exactly the same. mk virtual env, choose the name. I'm gonna go with my first env double dash python slash usr slash bin slash python 3.10. So let's stick to the same version of the web app. Okay, it's going to create this virtual environment. Now, if you want to activate, it's a little bit different. It's not activate, it's work on. To deactivate, you just do deactivate. and to activate it back you use work on instead of activate. So work on my first env. It's active just like before. Whenever it's showing before the directory, you know that it's active. Now we are in Linux, so if you want to clear all of these previous things, use clear. That's good. We need to install Django again. Pip install Django. It will install Django again in my first env, just like before. Meanwhile, we can go to the web tab, and in there let's configure some things. Oh, let's scroll down a little bit and enter path to a virtual env if desired. Yes. Slash home. This is the directory of virtual environments in PythonAnywhere. Then you need to type your username. I'm going with mine, so don't repeat what I'm doing. You need to use your username slash dot virtual envs and then the name of the virtual environment. So my first env. Check that and should be good. Let's continue and scroll down until you find WSGI configuration file. I will just uh, I will just copy paste this into the the file in Python Anywhere. So I'm not here forever telling you about these things. Now you need to keep in mind adjust this to your path. Your username should be in here. Pay attention to that. And in the future, it's a matter of changing this to a different project name if that's the case. And save that. So let's go back to web and configure now the static and media files. So static files slash static slash check it and enter a path, and we're gonna use the high performance folder. For me it's Jamie this is Silva 38130. Again, choose your username, the name of the project which is my site, and then static files. This is the one that we have configured in settings. So in here, the one I early have mentioned to be for a best performance. Now it's going to be super similar for media. I even going to copy, and the only thing that changes it's the media instead of static files. Good. You still need to add the URL for media slash media slash and check it. That's good. We can already force HTTPS, I believe. Let me see something. Yeah, that's good for the web server. Now let's go back to the development and prepare things to go to production in here. Things to mention: never share your secret key. I'm sharing this with you because it's a tutorial. This project will be deleted in the future. It will not grow anymore. So, secret key, keep it secret. One other thing, debug, and you can say there are security warnings for both of them. Whenever you go to Python anywhere, you set this to false. You cannot forget about this ever. Okay? One more thing, allowed hosts. Oh, when you have an allowed host, like Jamie, this is Silva 38130.pythonanywhere.com, you also need to include localhost, or else it will stop working locally. Now, if you didn't notice, this is your username following with PythonAnywhere.com, and you need to have this so it's accessible. Okay, that's about it. I'm gonna interrupt. It's already interrupted. Let's clean that and go to the desktop, zip your Django project, compress to zip file, my site, and now I'm going to upload this to the Python Anywhere through files. Let's go to files, upload a file. Keep in mind that the maximum size of upload is 100 megabytes. There are alternatives to do this. I'm just keeping it simple for the tutorial. And here it is, but it's zipped. We need to unzip it. Let's do that through the bash console. Clear, do unzip, and zip my site zip. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's working. Clear. Let's see what we have. ls. It's here now, my site. And now let's run pythonmanage.py. Oh, I need to go to the project folder. So cd my site and run pythonmanage.py collect static. So what this will do is to transfer the static files from the development location to one other folder static files. Like I told you, it's a more prepared way to access the static files, so it has a better performance. It's a matter of running. It will create the new folder, copy to static files. If you use ls, you'll see that it has static files in there. And that's all. That's all. Now, to finish this, we go to web. Let's go there and reload. Now, on free accounts, they take this down 3 months later, so 11 March 2026. Once it's reloaded, you can access this through the internet. There you go. I really hope you enjoyed this. It was not that easy to record. Not every day it's easy to record, but did the best I can. We'll come back soon with some more videos, hopefully. Like, subscribe, share, comment, say hello, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!